So we are going to look at Mediasite today to learn how to record your lecture. So the first thing that you'll want to do is log into your Blackboard course site. Under Course Tools, go to My Mediasite and then launch My Mediasite. And then once here, you want to go to Add Media. If you've never used Mediasite before, we would like for you to download the Mediasite desktop recorder by clicking this link. Currently, Mediasite does not work for recording on a Mac, so you will need to use a Windows-based laptop or computer. So click Download for Windows. That's going to bring the exe down here. Just click on that. Just click Next and Install. Once this is done, we will need to go to step 3 and confirm and register, and that's what's going to link the My Mediasite recorder to your Blackboard course site. Click Finish, and now we will register. Okay, so this is the Mediasite desktop recorder. So there are some options if you want to click on the overview. Once you do this on your own, you can do that. For now, we're going to walk through the recording process. So you'll hit record. And typically we do screencast and audio, or you can do video as well. For this purpose, we'll do screencast and audio and hit next. And here you'll want to test out your microphone, and if you see that going up, that means your microphone is working. Hit next, and this little desktop recorder will come on, and you can choose which desktop you want to record. And if you want to lecture using a PowerPoint or a Word document, you can open that. And then once you hit the record, that will begin recording. So I am going to go back to my PowerPoint and select this desktop. And at this point, all you'll need to do is hit the record button. And it'll give you a countdown. And you can start talking about whatever you want to lecture. So today we're going to learn about Stephanie's dog. Her name is Isabella, and she loves to read. And Isabella loves to play dress up. Once you are done with your recording, you can hit finish. And that will automatically upload the Mediasite video to your course. Then you have the option to make a new recording or manage your selected recordings. Thank you.